Home remedies for bronchitis. Bronchitis is a common respiratory disease caused by viruses, bacteria, irritants such as smoke, and other particles that aggravate the bronchial tube. These tubes bring air from the nose and mouth to the lungs. It's important to treat your symptoms at the first sign of them to ensure a rapid recovery. With proper self-care, you should be able to bounce back quickly. Sesame seeds. Sesame seeds have medicinal properties that can cure bronchitis and help relieve chest congestion associated with it. Mix half a teaspoon of sesame seed powder and 2 tablespoons of water and take it twice daily. Tomato soup. Tomato soup is extremely rich in vitamin C, which helps to reduce the excessive formation of mucus during bronchitis. Drink tomato soup at least twice in a day to get rid of a bronchitis cough. Epsom salt. Epsom salt can bring relief from bronchitis symptoms, especially when you are suffering from acute bronchitis. You can take an Epsom salt bath by adding a few tablespoons of Epsom salt in your bathing water. Soak yourself in the water for half an hour. Salt water. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to a glass of warm water and use it to gargle several times a day. This will soothe the inflammation of the throat. Also, it will cut through some of the mucus that may be irritating the throat. Be careful not to use too much of salt as it may cause burning sensation in the throat and too little would be ineffective. Be sure to spit out the water after gargling. Ginger and black pepper. Add 1 teaspoon of each ginger powder and black pepper to a cup of boiling water. Boil it for a few minutes and add some honey and drink it twice a day.